All right, girl, let's get you back in the barn. Oh yeah. All right, let's try not to hit any Harleys, Hondas, Mustangs. That would not be ideal. All right, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave. Like always, and you found do it yourself, do it right. And well, got my Ford hat on. That can mean one thing. We are going to work on the old Ford. Got another part in. Actually, I've had it for a bit. Just haven't had any good weather to actually get out here and do some work in the garage. So we got a halfway decent day. Gonna go ahead and do some more work. You know, some more prettying up type work. So while it's warm, let's get at it. So you're probably wondering, you know, what more can I do to pretty it up? Well, you know, the old girl needs a lot of prettying up. I mean, it is pretty, but there's always room for improvement. So what I did is, you know, I went ahead and ordered up these here beautiful kick panels for the inside of the car. You know, the panels down by your feet on, you know, driver's side on the left, on the passenger side on the right. The ones that were in there, you know, they were, you know, not, well, one's gone and the other one, you know, it doesn't look too good. It's like cardboard, and you know, it's basically just kind of falling apart. You know, when the mice get in there, and you know, stuff tends to usually not look so pretty. So for those of you that are wondering, these are Teamco passenger car part number PKP 552 in, well, it says BK, but that means black, and kick panels, and somebody with the initial J inspected it. So you know, after looking at them, they're pretty dang nice. You know, it's a nice texture. You can see how they, you know, do it all nice and pretty. So you know, it's a nice vinyl. It's like a textured vinyl. I don't know if you can really tell. But you know, the important thing is they look nicer than what's already in the car, and that's the goal. So I'm gonna pop the cover off, get down inside of there, and let's slip these in. I decided to roll the old girl outside so I could get more space to open up the door here, and I can get you in here and show you what I'm talking about. This little area right here, that's, you know, you can see basically the cowl, you know, that kick panel goes in there. And the other one that I was talking about over there, see how the brown on the bottom, and you know, it's just kind of like cardboard. It just doesn't look that great. So, you know, I figured, why not go ahead and get some decent looking ones and throw them in. So obviously you just got to try to figure out which one fits where, because they're not labeled. At least I didn't see anything labeling them. There's no left hand, right hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out which one goes where. And yeah, so this one, just by looking, I can tell by the shape that it is. See, right here. And then the shape of that one over there. This here is the top, and this is where it comes down to the bottom over there, where the brown is showing where it's not supposed to be showing. So this is your passenger side. Throw that one over there. And this is your driver's side. So let's go ahead and see if I can shove this thing up in here, make it look 10% better. All right, so with, you know, the least amount of space possible, this has got to go up in here like so. And I'm trying not to, you know, bend or scratch or rip, break, but, you know, at the end of the day, it's just gonna have to go. I believe there's clips back here. Now, don't pay attention to the door seals. You know, those are on the list to get replaced eventually. Probably not anytime soon, but, you know, eventually. So I think this is just gonna have to, you're just gonna have to manhandle it, really, is all I'm saying. This is gonna have to be bent, folded, smushed, you know, pushed. Just gotta really work it around. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work it around some more. There's some more space there. Let me just say that these, you know, they could have been trimmed a little bit more. There's a little, like a little tab on the side of this in here. If I can bring it around a little bit. There's like a little slot in here with the, where the seal is also supposed to go. That's just kind of dangling like it is. You know, we don't need seals right this moment. At this juncture in the game. This is gonna look kind of cruddy with the way this now maybe I'm just spitballing here, I don't know, maybe this should go underneath here, you know, and that's what holds the carpet down. Maybe let's pull it, try to pull it back out without damaging it. Maybe, I don't know how well that's gonna go. I got it jammed in there pretty good. The cardboard one over there definitely has the rug underneath it, so I'm gonna have to rip this thing back out. Okay. All right, not too much damage. I don't know where that cable is going. Let's try that one more again. Only try to get all that stuff behind it. This is this is something else. Something else, boys and girls. All right. You gotta, well, the dimmer switch. You gotta get it on the other side of the dimmer switch. Well, how in the hell do you do that? Oh, okay. Not like that, apparently. All right, let's regroup. Let's regroup. All right, now we'll jam it in there. How about that? Now we'll jam. We gotta get it in the tab. You know, shit's getting deep when the hat gets turned backwards. Guess I was lucky and got it in the groove pretty quick the first time. Quite like this bent look. I thought it would be more of a straight, but I guess, you know, it's got a contour here anyways because of the way the car cowling is. I definitely messed up the door seal, what was left of it, I guess. I mean, it looks better than not having one in there. I guess I should maybe vacuum this thing out. Got so much stuff, so much garbage in it. Doesn't block my pump. That works. So I guess that's probably as good as it's gonna get, boys and girls. It's better than not having one. I just wish it looked a little bit better up through here. So let's go on to that side. This white stuff can go away at any time, and I would not be upset. So here we go. Let's get in here. Let's move my father's ashes over a little bit. He goes to every car show with me now. You know, when I take the old car anyways. So this one, yeah, it's just pushed up in there like, and you know, like that. So I'm guessing, you know, having to form the other one was the way to go. All right, so let's form this sucker up in here. Hopefully this one won't be as bad as the last one. There's definitely clips, and it definitely clips in. These are a little bit bigger than those other ones. I don't really want to slide into place. They're a little bit thicker. There you have it. New kick panel. And you're probably wondering what it looks like from the seat. Well, look at there. Nice and black. There's the other one over there. I feel like they're a little bit big, you know, like right through that area there and down at the tip of that one down there. They probably could be trimmed a little bit better, but you know, they're a lot better than what was in this thing, or what wasn't in this thing, especially on that side. Totally gone. And then this one, you know, just a piece of cheap old cardboard. So there you have it. Another project done on this old Ford. You know, I'm trying to get it there, trying to get it, you know, just looking a little bit better. I take it to shows, can be just that much more proud of this old girl. I'm gonna do some engine work next. I think I'm gonna pull the distributor out, redo the timing. She sits in, you know, before she fires up. I feel as though it should fire up a little quicker. And I do remember the last time I put the timing light on it, it was, you know, it was off. So you know, I set it by ear and it's running pretty good. But I'm going to redo that distributor. I think I'm 1 tooth off. So that's probably going to be the next project on this old girl. So if you like this, you know, you like these videos, you know, give me a like, you know, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. By the end of this year, I'm at 505 now, I think 505. So I'm getting up there, getting some good subscribers. Thank you guys for that. It's pretty encouraging, especially all the encouraging words you guys leave. For those of you that are putting negative comments, I'm not seeing them because I have that little check, you know, I have that block checked. I don't see negative comments. So, and I'm definitely not going to reply to negative comments. So if you're that guy, don't be that guy. But again, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe. See you next time. Thanks a lot.